I just want to take a moment to encourage you that your dreams can come true. And I'm here on a cruise ship. I'm not doing this to show off. I'm just saying that on the journey, there'll be times to smell the flowers, smell the roses, and give thanks for where you've gone. And I started my online journey 18 months ago. And as many of you know, I had no experience online at all. A failed website in my traditional career, but nothing to show for it, absolutely nothing for over a decade online. So I came to this as a completely failed internet marketer and with a failed retirement plan, facing, turning 60 this year with no provision for my retirement, just gonna have to carry on working. And yet I saw this Launch You thing, The Modern Wealthy, and I started my journey 18 months ago, and I threw myself in. And I know there's gonna be people who look at this and they say, there's some work involved. Yes, there's some work involved, absolutely. You're building something of substance, you're building something real, you're building something of quality, you're building something you can be proud of, and you're building something that other people will want at the end of the day. And it takes some work, but blimey, working for the next 20 years, that's some work too. So from my perspective, to put in hard work, I said to myself, I wanted to really seriously put in a foundation that would replace my failed retirement plan inside a year. And I achieved that inside a year. And I've continued to build beyond that now, 18 months on. And a year ago, I said to my family, I would love, if my online business goes well, to take all of you on a cruise, including the grandchildren. There's 10 of us here, from the proceeds directly from my online venture. And that's exactly what I was able to do. In March, I had my biggest ever month and was able to pay for the whole family to come. And so I'm here celebrating this week on a cruise, just coming away from Spain, with the whole family. And it is absolutely brilliant because I was willing to put in some hard work 18 months ago and be consistent and persistent and grow my online business. Is it easy every day? No. There's campaigns that have failed, there's frustrations, there's things that haven't gone according to plan, but push through. And I really I promote the whole Modern Wealthy offer and Launchpad, which is a curriculum that they offer, step-by-step learning, which I've just followed. And I've built an incredible online business. And I know you could do the same. You do need a bit of drive, a bit of determination, a bit of willpower, willing to step outside of your comfort zone. But if you're willing to do that, and I'm here to help encourage other people because I'm in the trenches, I'm no different to you. I know what it is to have good days, I know what it is to have bad days. But overall, as you build a business consistently, wow, the results are mind-blowing. And the internet is, and what a place to be in today's world. It's where all the growth is, where other income streams struggle, stocks and shares and property and all of those things. And yet the internet is going to see utterly incredible growth. So would you rather be in that or somewhere else? I'd rather be in that growth, on that wave, if you like. So I've chosen to be on that wave, and I invite you to come and join me on this wave of growth. For those who are willing to step in and do the work and see their dreams fulfilled. So you too could achieve your dreams and do stuff that you want to do. Be different from mine, but find your dreams, go for it, and you can succeed. I really believe in you. Know you can do it. So speak to you soon. Cheers.